and YouTube. And we should start seeing little number here. I'll open up Twitter just in case because I don't know how well chat is gonna work. So I'll just put this here, and then I'll just move things around, and we're good. Okay, I'll just keep going then. If you're watching on Twitter, welcome. Looks like we have a bunch of people from Twitter. I don't see anything in the chat. Oh, it looks like I can say stuff. Before I couldn't say anything. I'll just say hi. All right, it looks like chat is working. Swift is saying hello to Twitter. So Twitter, if you're watching, don't be shy. Feel free to say hi back. Today we're doing a couple things, but one of the things I'm doing, this one's kind of just for fun. The idea is we're creating a flowchart for choosing your programming language. And I have already made like a big chunk of it. It starts with, actually, let me fix that a little bit and then we can show it. Because this one is start, but I guess that's a start. But there should be something before that. Even before this first question, I should just have something like, okay, I'll show you guys what inspired me, and I know exactly how to find it. Twitter's being quiet. Twitch is kind of quiet too. I guess around this time it's kind of quiet in general. Email is fine. Okay, I think it was, yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Bush Bunny where I saw it. Pseudo Bunny. And I saw, yeah, this one, how to choose your programming language. Okay, so this is not what I made. It's someone else's stuff, right? So let's take a look at it first. If you're on the phone, it might be kind of too small to see, but I can read it for you. Do you want to make a lot of money? It's funny how that's the first question. No. Delphi. What's Delphi? Yes. Are you dumb? This chart is so aggressive. It's just a chart, but somehow it's really aggressive. So this one's saying, yes, dumb AF. Do you have friends? Like all these questions are really aggressive. Obviously, this is meant to be as a joke. But I wanna take my spin on it. Let's take a look though. I mean, this is gonna be a struggle to take a look because it's kind of aggressive. I can feel like this person's anger somehow. But let's take a look. Are you dumb? Yes. Dumb AF. Do you have friends? Are they dumb AF to JavaScript? So like, it's so funny. Are they dumb AF to? No. So they're saying you're dumb. Wait, your friends are dumb. No, I'm just confused. Your friends are dumb. Oh no, you're dumb if your friends are not dumb if, and that goes to Ruby somehow. This list is just nonsense. It's ridiculous. Do you like dumb if? No. Do you like snakes? Yes. No. That's not how you choose a programming language. Again, I know this is meant to be a joke, but I think jokes are funnier when they have an element of truth, like this one. Right? What the heck is Delphi? Exactly. It's not a good list. So what I was looking at here, the joke is funnier when it's a little bit real, like hardcore gamer. Like these parts are not really a joke. It's kind of true, but this one, like I think people can relate. Like ready to struggle, no Figma. Ready to struggle, yes. Ready to suffer, yes. JavaScript, no TypeScript. People can relate with this. And this chart is not passive aggressive. But what I do like from that list that we were looking at earlier was, the header. It was how to choose your programming language. It's pretty clear. So I'll start there. Uh, real start, I guess. Real start. How to choose, or maybe I'll just call it root. How to choose your programming language. Heads to. Oh, hello. How's it going? Flowchart with no Python snake points feeling left out. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. So how to choose your programming language. And then we go to start. Yeah, I guess, can I just do that? Start. Do I need to do, like, let's go. Do I need to say that? No. Okay, debugging this mermaid thing might be kind of a challenge, but let's try it. Are you a visually oriented person? That's the start, but not the root. Oh no. I'll make it fit the other parts too. So let's try yes. Oh, do I need like a bit more hyphens here? Okay, better. Okay. And then start. Are you a visually oriented person? Right. And then I'm gonna indent this one just for readability. We're gonna have a lot of indentation. There you go. Oh, wait, no. Not yes. Can I do it without labels here? Without a label. Or like with nothing here. Nice. And it's kind of annoying how I need to like click every time, but I guess that's okay. Nothing from Twitter. No one's saying anything on Twitter. That's okay though. I'm going good. We're gonna get to Python, like I said. So I think it's already a good start how to choose your programming language. This, I don't know, the header should be a little bit bigger. I wonder if I can make it a little bit bigger. Can I style things in Mermaid? For example, can I make the root up here a lot bigger? Let's take a look. You can style elements in Mermaid. Oh, you need to do that. Class the big node. Let's try. I hope this is gonna work. So I have next to no experience in Mermaid. I just know that it exists. So we're learning as we go here. Oh, I need to put it inside the Mermaid. Inside the Mermaid clause here. Unable to render rich display. Okay, that might be too hard for it. What I might do is I really want to make this one bigger. Oh wait, I can just like inspect element, right? That's one way to go about it. Can I just do that? Let's go here. If I'm able to find the text, I might be able to just make it bigger. How to choose your programming language. That might be too hard. Oh wait, it's here. So that's the span. But if I delete it, nothing happens. Okay, that's too complicated. I can't just do inspect elements. So what I might do is I might put this in Figma, one of the languages featured here, and then I can add, like a big header for just for the meme. So I'll remove that actually. So that means I need to go back to what we had earlier. That might just be the last commit. So I'll just go back all the way. Yeah, I think that's the last commit. All right, so I'll just start from there. I'm not sure what the change I made was, but I'll just start from there. Okay, let's do it that way. A little bit simpler. How's your day going, Krang? All right, let's put visual. No, we gotta go to a non-visual person next. And the way to do that is right here. So I think what I can do is I can just do that. Start, no, and then non-visual. There you go. Are you a data nerd? Are you a data nerd? Okay, this is gonna take a lot. It's gonna take a lot, but I think if we like break it down, take it step by step, we'll finish it. I guess like if we just like do it without thinking about it, we might do it quickly. Let's do it properly here. Like I want it to be a little bit funny, and I want it to be kind of useful too. That's what I'm going for, like half useful, half funny, or maybe like 20% funny. Are you a data nerd? Everyone. Question for everyone. Are you a data nerd? Yes or no? So from non-visual, we're gonna ask. Oh yeah, we need to, yeah, we already asked non-visual here. So we need to say yes here. And if you're yes, then we need to ask a follow-up question. Pretty good, spent early afternoon. I ideating weekend project ideas then. Napped now, tune into your stream while preparing dinner. Sounds good. So let's take a look at here. Non-visual. Are you a data nerd? Yes. If you say yes, as the thing is, if you're a data nerd, you might like Python, you might like MATLAB, you might like there's a language called Mathematica, right? Mathematica, yeah, there's Mathematica, there's Julia. So we have 4 choices. Okay, let's write it down. Python, Julia, Mathematica, I mean, if anyone knows about it, right? Mathematica, and MATLAB. And I feel like Python and Julia are one group. Mathematica and MATLAB. Oh wait, we need R too. Okay, let's remove Mathematica. I don't think we need that. We need R. Seems like my next weekend project is going to be a chores tracker. Check this Excalibur if you're interested. It's online. No, it just goes to my Excalibur. I guess you can just like drop. You can drop. What am I trying to say? You can drop a screenshot or something, put it on Google Drive or something, and then I can take a look. Chores tracker. All right, let's keep going here. Non-visual, are you a data nerd? Yes means we have 2 choices. Python, Julia, or MATLAB. And then we can figure out like how to break that down later. But for now, I can just like put everything together. Data nerd. Ninja, nice. Chores tracking and tracking daily goals on bedroom. Whiteboard. Metrics, track goals, gym. Oh, okay, so it's like a daily. And did you say daily? Or it's like a to-do list, but with a theme of chores. That's what it sounds like. All right. I already edited that. And then I was here. I don't need that for now. I can just stay here. Okay, so if you're a data nerd, chances are you like one of these. And then we can break it down later. If you're not a data nerd, and if you're not a visually oriented person, we have a bunch of choices here. We have a lot of choices here. I mean, we're gonna miss, a bunch of languages no matter what because there are so many. No, non-data nerd. Hey, Chrissy, how's it going? Thanks for coming over. Non-data nerd. So we got a non-visual, non-data nerd person here. For that, we could have Go, we could have Rust. I guess we could do TypeScript, but I don't think people get into TypeScript for backend, really. We could have Java, PHP. Oh, this is good. And then I can say, like, do you want to be rich? I don't know. Oh yeah, I can roast Java developers. Like, do you want to be rich? Yes. And then it was yeah, it's no, it's a tough one. It's a tough one. Like which programming language are highest paid? Highest paying. Top highest programming languages in 2024. I don't know if I can trust this, but we can take a look. Oh, we got Swift. Oh yeah, we got Swift too. Yeah, there's so many. Rich, yes, heck no. You got me. Solidity? Oh man. Is that even a language? I guess it is. Scala, Clojure, Erlang, F#. Man, there are so many languages. I mean, how do you even choose which languages to feature in this list, right? Java, Python, Swift, Rust, Solidity. Solidity. Right, but then there's this like stereotype of like PHP developers being rich. Maybe I'll say, do you want to make money? If it's yes, it's Java or PHP, right? If it's no, we'll go to this region. No, yeah, I know it's for crypto. I wasn't sure if it's a language, but I guess it is a language. Because there's framework and language. All right. So I'll say, do you want to make money? Java or PHP? And then Go Rust will be, are you good looking? Okay, let's start roasting people. And then for Java, I'll be like, are you old? Yes, it's Java. I mean, I want to like offend people just a little bit, right? Just a little bit. Okay, and then for data nerd, we get this one. Uh, yeah, Python, Julia. I'm trying to think. This is already a good list. I mean, we could have a bunch more. Obviously, we could have it pretty much an infinite number of languages here. Are you old for JavaScript? No, no, everyone uses JavaScript. It's not just for old people. Python, Julia, or MATLAB. We could have Ruby here somewhere too. Do you think you're cool? Oh, hey, maybe Ruby engineers are okay. I have an idea. I'll add Ruby here, and then here. So we're gonna have like a few levels here, and we could have like Zig. I don't think roasting Zig is that fun. Do you think you're cool? I think Ruby engineers think they're cool and they're good looking. That's my classification in my mind. And then we got Python, Julia, R, MATLAB. Let's see. I'm trying to think of like questions to classify these. Python, Julia, or MATLAB. MATLAB is kind of on the outlier here. I guess I could have like, hey, Devin, how's it going? I guess I'll show you guys what I have here. This might be more interesting to look at, more visual. So here we got Python, Julia, R, MATLAB, Go, Ruby, Rust, Java, PHP. How do you classify this one? Python, Julia. Yeah, I keep saying this. Oh no, I get it. Are you hyped about AI? Rust next. Oh yeah, we could have Bash here. I'm not sure how to. Oh yeah, so Bash is definitely gonna be in the not making money group, and then yeah, something like are you weird or like I feel like weird people like Bash. Are you quirky? Maybe there's the better way to phrase that without offending too many people. I mean, for at this point, I feel like I should give up on not offending people, but still, are you quirky? Are you weird? Something like that. Are you weird or are you obsessed? Are you? Oh, let's do that. Are you obsessive? I feel like Bash developers are somehow obsessive. Is that right? You guys tell me. Okay. And I think I might just share. Just one second. I'm thinking of sharing a screenshot of what I have here. And then I think for the screenshot, I want this to be a little bit larger here, like that. Oh yeah, I can make it like that. All right. I'll just take a screenshot. 3, 2, 1, and then I might share it. We'll see. Oh, it looks like it has a bunch of comments. That's kind of surprising. Flowchart for choosing your programming language. Nice. What question would you add? Something like that. Creating a flowchart for choosing your programming language. What question would you add? Or like, what programming language would you add? Just tweet it, just a tweet. I mean, with tweet, I'm like, I can just delete it if I don't like it anyway. Bash, Rust next. Yeah, Devman, if you're still here, we're gonna do Bash, we're gonna do Rust, we're gonna do all of those. Hopefully most of the popular ones. I won't be able to cover everything, but I'll do my best. And I saw a couple comments. I wanted to check those. They might be spam. So we'll see. This one be a spam. This one looks like spam. Oh, this one's, man, so many spams. I guess I'll just need to block that. No, like legit comment then. A couple likes. So people might be watching. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'll just go back here, and then I'll keep going. So, are you ADHD? Oh, for the comment, 10 minutes late. No, I don't think it's 10 minutes late. I just don't check it that often. No, it's like almost like 30 seconds late. That's my guess, or it could be It could be instantaneous. I'm not sure how much the latency is for Twitter streaming. I know Twitch is the lowest latency. Okay, so let's go here. Visually oriented person, yes. Gamer, yes. Hardcore gamer. This part, I'm happy. Like this whole section, I feel like it's already done. These six languages, right? C++, JavaScript, C Sharp, JavaScript, TypeScript, Figma. I guess we could have like Swift, Kotlin, and then I can be like, "Are you rich?" Then you probably go for Swift. If not, Kotlin, maybe. Are you ready to struggle? No. Oh, and then I can add something here before Figma. Uh, is that a good branch? What branch? I'm responding to Twitter, by the way. Okay. Are you ready to struggle? No. And then here, I think Kotlin with Kotlin and Swift, you want struggle, right? So I'll have like, are you smart? No, I don't roast designers that way. I want to roast designers, but I want to roast them in a way that's different. Are you stylish? Do you care about your looks? Do you care too much about your looks? Do you care too much about your own looks? Like I could just say, do you care about your looks? But if I say, do you care too much about your looks? Then go learn Figma. I think that's it. What do you guys think? I don't know if anyone's still watching, but I think that's not bad. Let's do that. Okay. So here we got non-visual, and then I wonder if there is a way to like add a question here, add a comment. But before that, what I wanted to do is right here. Just got here. Cool. Welcome, Rex Riker. I hope it's clear what we're doing here. So JavaScript, no. So non-gamer, no struggle. Instead of going directly into Figma, I'll say, do you care a little bit too much about your looks? And then if it's yes, so I'm going from no struggle, right? Struggle, I need to put it here. Now I can just move this one over here, just so it's easier to look at it. No idea, but I'll catch up. Okay, I'll explain that. So what I'm doing here is I'm creating a flowchart for choosing what language. Choosing your programming language. Choose your program, like how to choose your programming language. That's the idea. And what I have so far, I guess I can catch you up on that. If you're not a visually, yeah. Are you a visually? No, I don't have to like go through everything. We got like, are you a visually oriented person? And then the part I wanted to talk about is, are you a gamer? No. Are you ready to struggle? No. And then I asked, do you care a little too much about your looks? And then you see what I'm trying to say here. If you say yes, then Figma. I know it's not programming language, but that's kind of a joke. And then if you say no, then I need to ask another question. No struggle. I'll say, are you rich? So I mean, you guys get it. Like it's a joke. Like all these things are stereotypes, jokes. I don't really mean it. You can learn whatever you want. It's half joke, half truth. Half a guide. That's kind of what I'm going for. I don't even know if I'm gonna finish it. If you guys don't like it, we don't have to finish it. But I was inspired by something similar, like a chart that I saw that's a little bit like this, and I was like, I can make something better. That's always these things. How always things. How always how that's always how these things start. That's what I was trying to say. Do you care about money? Yeah, so we're gonna have that in this section for like distinguishing, Go, Ruby, Rust, Java, PHP, Bash. One of the questions will be, do you want to make money? But for this one, it's not about do you want to make money. It's about, are you already rich? So if you're rich, I'll say iOS. So Swift, and then I don't know. Do you think people are gonna get mad, or I guess not. Right? I don't think people will get mad. No struggle. They care a little bit too much about UX. I'll just put mobile here, and then for mobile, I'm gonna have yes, Swift, and then for no, I'll have. I'm almost done here, but if you aren't rich, there should be an option. Yeah, no, there's an option here. 100. Or no, I mean Kotlin. There you go. That's what we got. Okay. So, no. Looks like I made a mistake somewhere. Let's take a look. Let's see if we can figure it out here. Mobile, yes. Swift, mobile, rich, no struggle. Oh yeah, I need like a couple more hyphens here, I think. There should be just like one hyphen. Why do you need so many hyphens? Okay, there you go. Are you a visually oriented person? Yes. Are you a gamer? Gamers are visually oriented, right? Mostly. Most games are visual. Are you a gamer? No. Are you ready to struggle? No. Do you care a little too much about your looks? Yes. Go learn Figma. No. Are you rich? Swift. Kotlin. I don't know. I don't think it's are you rich? I don't think that's the right question. It's more like, do you like over expensive stuff? Do you like wasting money? So something like that. Like, do you like uh, overpriced stuff? I think that's better because that way. It's not about your situation. It's about your preference. Do you like overpriced stuff? Yes, Swift. No, Kotlin. How's that, Devin? That's better, right? Anyway, I could go ahead and finish this. I think this is going to be pretty quick. Let's see if people are reacting to what I said. All right, I'll check what people have said or haven't said here. This is like a chill stream for me. If you want me to do something more serious, I'll say, yeah, me too. I saw it. I figured I can make something better. Or if you guys feel like, you want me to finish it, then I'll just go ahead and finish it. If you don't say anything, I'll do whatever I feel like doing, to be honest. So it's up to you guys. You guys are in the driver's seat, really, anyway. So that's fine. I'll just leave it there. Do you like overpriced stuff? this is getting more complicated than I thought, but it's good enough. Like I'm trying to cover like all grounds here. No. This is good because this way I'm talking only about your preferences. Like, are you a visually oriented person? I mean, I guess that's natural, but it's also like your preference. Are you a gamer? Do you like games? Yes. Are you a hardcore gamer? Independently minded to the script? Are you ready to struggle? Are you ready to suffer? Right? Do you care a little too much about your looks? Big no. No. Do you like overpriced stuff? Yes, Swift. Comment. Are you a visually oriented person? No. Are you a data nerd? Yes. Python, Julia, or MATLAB. We're gonna have questions to distinguish these two. And then we got no for Go, Ruby, Rust, Java, PHP, and Bash. And I think we can finish the rest pretty quickly. So I'll commit first. How's everyone's day going, by the way? What's new? All right, so I'll go here, code. Here, for non-visual. I'm wondering if I can finish it really quickly here. Isn't everyone a visually oriented person to some extent? No, some people are more visually oriented than other people. You know, like some people are more logically oriented. So that would be no. So right, people are different. Do you want to ship what? Ship this chart? I mean, soon. Oh, you mean that's a question that I should add. Yeah, let me figure this out. The questions. And I don't want to spend too much time. This is supposed to be just two Rust. Oh yeah, two Rust CLI programs. This is supposed to be a chill stream. It's not supposed to be anything too serious. So I don't want to spend too much time here. That's part of the thing. So I'll see if I can finish it kind of quickly. By the way, I just saw a follow from someone new. So if you want to say hi, feel free to say hi. And then we're gonna keep going. We got non-visual, data nerd. And then the question will be, and I wonder if commenting works. Commenting, maybe it's /. I don't know. Okay. So I'll put comments here for Python, Julia, and MATLAB. For Python, Julia, R, and MATLAB. First question is, no, don't worry, Devin. First question. I think we mentioned it earlier. I don't remember what the question was here for this one. Let me see. Do you think you're cool shit? Do you think you're the shit? Or something like that. Do you think because AI, Python, Julia, I think they think they're kind of cool. Do you think you're the shit? Something like that. Yes, Python or Julia. No, or MATLAB. And then for this one, for Python or Julia, are you normal? I mean, Julia is, what's Julia? Julia is like really cool, right? It's like highbrow, like, whoa, I'm so cool. Or Python's more friendly, I think. Do you think you're extremely cool? Oh, let's do that. For do you think you're extremely cool? Yes, Julia. No, Python. I think that's how it is. And then we got for no, or MATLAB, or R or MATLAB. And the reason why I'm doing it this way now is because I think I can just finish it really quickly this way. We already got the idea. Just GPT for everything. the rest of it, and then we're gonna be done. And we can move on to like a more serious project. Like I didn't want to spend too much time. I was kind of having fun with it, but you know, at the end of the day, this is just for fun. So let's finish it up. And I think that's the way to do it, because if I finish it now, I don't have to like context switch. I can just finish it, be done with it, and we're good here. So if you say we got no, our MATLAB, I'll just do that. For R or MATLAB, do you like Moneyball? Are you a statistics nerd? I mean, that's kind of like the same thing as data nerd. Do you like paying overpriced stuff? I'm trying to think of something interesting, something funny here. What is R known for? I mean, R is extremely nerdy, but so is MATLAB. I guess MATLAB is more engineering. Do you like building stuff? That would be more MATLAB. R is like, I guess do you think you're, okay, let's do that. I have an idea. Do you think you're, do you think you're a Moneyball god or something exaggerated? Do you think you're Moneyball? Do you imagine yourself in the movie Moneyball? Being in the movie Moneyball? Yes or no? Not that. I think that's good. And then for this one, I can do the same thing. I can do it quickly, and then we'll be done with it. Is anyone still here, by the way? I don't know if this is like too silly. Here. Let's see if anyone's watching. Maybe people are just lurking somewhere. But I really want to finish this. Non-visual, non-data nerd. So, first question. I'll just try to have the same formatting here. Do you want to make money? Yes, with the Java, PHP. Okay. No would be Ruby. I mean, you can make money with all of these, really. But stereotype-wise, it's like that. Go, Ruby, Bash, Rust. There you go. And then, yeah, I wanted to say, are you old? And then if you're old, maybe Java. If you're not, PHP. Something like that. I think I'll just stop here for now, and then I'll figure out the rest probably later. So I'll just keep these ones here. I can change these lines so it's slightly easier to see. And I'll work on my next project. Good enough for now. I can come back to this one. Do you want to make money? Yeah, well, I'll just say that. All right. Looks like it's okay. This post is doing okay, I think. Let me just quickly check that here on my second screen. Anyway, I'll just go offline here. And since Twitter is being really quiet, what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the stream on Twitter, and I'll just focus on Twitch. Let me just do that. I'll just end the stream here on Twitter. Thanks for hanging out. If anyone's watching on Twitter, feel free to come over to Twitch if you want. At YK Dojo, same handle.